From the outset, Gripen has been designed to execute operations in harsh environments and from dispersed air bases. The key to operational effect is to get fighters airborne when needed. That's why Gripen is designed to make sure that availability is maximized at all times. Gripen can operate from a road strip of only 16 by 800 meters. This means the fighter can be deployed from extremely short or battle-damaged runways, taxiways, small civil airfields, or even highways. Gripen has been designed for minimum turnaround time. For example, an air-to-air combat setup, including refueling and rearming, is done in less than 10 minutes. Using only one technician and 5 conscript mechanics, equipped with efficient and smart tools and equipment. All Gripen equipment for maintenance and turnaround at squadron level are deployable for operations at temporary air bases. The equipment needed fits in a single standard 20-foot container. Gripen fighters can be airborne right after the scramble signal, requiring only engine start and final automatic startup tests.